Okay, so this is the multiple artboard generator script. This is what it looks like when you open it. And you can see here you have a few different options available. You can choose the spacing between the artboards, and you can choose the units. So you can choose pixels, millimeters, centimeters, inches. And the way that it works is it generates your artboards from a spreadsheet file. The spreadsheet, though, needs to be in CSV format. And then when you select the CSV, so let's say this little spreadsheet example here, and you click open, it will load that CSV or that spreadsheet file. And when you click generate, it'll bring up a little dialog saying that it's completed that action successfully. And when you press OK and you zoom out, it will start to generate all of those artboards for you from the top left corner of the pasteboard in Illustrator. Now, of course, we need to set up our spreadsheet correctly. So you'll see when you download the script, it contains a folder with some files that you can make use of here. So we could take this spreadsheet here and we can open it up in Google Sheets. So if I drag that in there and open it up, this will be what your spreadsheet looks like inside of Google Sheets. You can then add additional artboards if you want to, and add in additional values in here, and you can obviously edit these and customize it. You'll then go to File, and you'll go to Download and CSV. We'll save that file. There's the file there. I'm going to rename it to spreadsheet custom.csv. And then this would be the file that I then open up with my script in Illustrator. So you can see if I preview that, that's what it looks like. Now has 5 boards in it, and those are the dimensions. And I can then open that with my script. So I'll go to File, Scripts, Other Scripts. I'll select the Artboard Generator script that's inside of our downloaded folder here. So you can see if we go into Script and Spreadsheet, there's that multiple artboard generator. And then you can double click on that. It will bring up the dialog box here. And from there, you can select the CSV. I'll jump to the folder where I downloaded that. So there's my spreadsheet custom. And I can open that and hit generate. And it will generate all 5 of those now at the top here. Now, to show you just how many this can actually do, I've also got a CSV file that has 250 artboards in it. So we'll take a look at using that one here just to show you what this can actually do. So I'll go to File, Scripts, Other Script, choose my script, the multiple artboard generator script. I'll then select my CSV. Let's put that there. I'll select that 250 item CSV and hit generate. And when it's done, and we zoom out, there's 250 artboards that it's created, and you can see it's capable of even more than that. One important thing though, when you're editing your CSV, I would recommend using Google Sheets if you have access to that. If you don't have access to that, I'd recommend using something like edit-csv.net, and you can bring your spreadsheet in there, customize it, and then click on download file up here. What I really wouldn't recommend is trying to edit your CSV, if you're on a Mac anyway, on something like Numbers, because Numbers uses different formatting and it's not compatible with the script that I've created. So do not use Numbers, avoid that. Rather use Google Sheets if you have access to that, or edit.csv.net works perfectly fine as well. One other thing, if we jump back to Illustrator here, if we go to our pasteboard here and we hit Shift-O to show our artboards, you'll see that all of the names of all of the different artboards come from that CSV file. So if you can change the names of the individual artboards to suit your needs.